Good morning, Snow. So today, discuss the topic on actually you have to guess the topic. So can anyone say what is this? MS. So MS means actually mind. You are correct. So what material typically? No mind steel. It's a big term. What it signifies is a what? Iron, copper, aluminum. What material is? It's an iron or copper. Iron. Why we are saying steel is what? Steel is a alloy of iron. Okay. So pure iron you cannot use it anywhere because it will do what? Very good. It will undergo oxidation or rusting. What you have to do is you have to add some material. So what's the color of this material actually? Silverish black. Okay. So by scratching, you can see the silver color. What it actually signifies is that there is some oxidation here. The color signifies there is some oxidation, but it does not penetrate because it has been alloyed. Okay. So what we will be doing for alloying that, I will be adding carbon. Typically, I will be adding carbon. Then I will add chromium, vanadium, something like that. Okay. So hence the name mild steel. Mild steel means it will have mild amount of carbon. Then if there is another steel called as low carbon steel. What it means? What it signifies about the carbon? Carbon will be low than what? Than the mild steel. High carbon steel will have more carbon than steel. Then if you add even more carbon, you will get cast iron. If I drop cast iron down, it will shatter. So that property is actually called as brittleness. We have discussed it. So now let's get back to the problem. So what I have to do is I have to join these two like this. Okay. So if I join it together, what material I am getting? Yes, very good. It's a T. So the joint name can be called as T joint. Okay. So if I join it like this, it's actually called a T joint. So I have to do a T joint. I have to join these two. Can I use glue to join these two metal? It's not possible. So it's a paper, I can't do this. Then what I have to do? Very good. So we have already discussed it in our class. What I have to do is I have to do welding. So welding is what can you explain? Definitely. That's what is welding. Very good. It's a process of joining two metals. Two or more metals. Okay. So at welding, what I have to do for joining, what I have to do? I have to just stick it together or what it should be done. Okay. It has to be welded, heated and welded. So in order to heat that, it's the source of heat. So hence we are starting there. So this is actually a arc welding. Okay. So arc welding means we will be using arc to do the welding. Arc what it signifies is that it is a flash of light. Flash of light is called as arc. When you see the lightning, there will be flash of light like that. When I do the welding, there will be a flash of light coming. Just to show you. So note here, that is what happening. It is sticking. It's a big technique. So as you can see, if I'm not touching it, it will be welding. Okay, so it requires some amount of skill. So what I did now is, now let it come down. So what I did now is, I did something and there is a flash coming. So what is happening here is that when I put the electrode here, now this is not, it will not do anything. So when I touch it, what happened? It's stuck. So what is happening is that when I touch it, gets stuck because current passes through here and it passes to the plate. So when it does that, what happens is that current is flowing. We do not need flow of current, but when I kept it close, what happened? Started doing welding. As you can see, it is being welded. Okay. Because there is a gap. So that gap, that is what causes the arc action. So we have discussed it actually before this. So what is happening is that another thing you should not do is touch it balance because it should be very hard. Now it's hold down. As you can see, there is a joint. Take the plane and go up. So as you can see, there is a joint being created. So this is what happens in welding. So when you move the plate, actually you should not touch it. But when you keep it at a closed system, what happens there? The electric arc will be created. You all know what happens there. Plasma obtain happens and electric arc is created. When I move it smoothly, the welding will happen. So if I touch it, what happens is that the current will flow and it will join. So this is actually not a welding not an actually I get a spot weld. It was joined at a spot. If I do it fully, you will get a full weld. So I hope you understood about our welding. Thank you.